Hello, it's Tasha with WTI. I'm really loving this Perfecting Base from L'Oreal. As you can see, it's something I've used a lot of because I'm almost out of it. It has a nice thick texture and it goes on silky smooth. What I really like about it is that when I put it on, it really creates the smooth, easy layer so that when I apply my makeup, I get a more of a continuous, smooth effect on my skin. This leaves my skin feeling very silky and it allows my skin to have more of a milky texture when I apply my foundation or my lotions. It is such a creamy base. It lasts all day long and it's easy to take off with a little bit of soap and water at the end of the day. It's a perfect product. So that's my point of view.